Leela was the smallest firefly in the moonlit forest. While the other fireflies glowed brightly at night, painting the sky with twinkling trails, Leela's glow flickered like a shy candle. She tried eating more nectar drops, sleeping early, and practicing glow pulses just like the elders taught, but nothing worked. Every night she watched the other fireflies rise into the sky like floating stars. Leela wanted to join them. She wanted to shine like everyone else. But each time she tried, her light blinked out completely. One evening, while sitting alone on a mushroom cap, she sighed, "Why can't I glow like them?" An old moth named Mama fluttered beside her. "A weak glow is not a weak heart," he said gently. "Your shine will come when you discover why you shine." Leela didn't understand what that meant. But she felt a little hope inside her tiny chest. That night she made a brave decision. She would find a way to bring her glow back, no matter how far she had to travel. The next morning, Leela set out on the great forest path. The trees stood tall like ancient guardians, and beams of sunlight danced through the leaves, making the pathway twinkle. Leela buzzed forward with excitement and nervousness. Along the path, she met a beetle struggling to push a heavy berry uphill. The berry rolled backward each time he tried. "Do you need help?" Leela asked. He looked surprised. "You're so small. Can you really help?" "I can try." Together they nudged, pushed, and guided the berry until it finally reached the top of the hill. The beetle beamed. "Thank you. You shine brighter than you think." Leela looked down. Her glow flickered a tiny bit stronger. Just a little, but she noticed. As she continued her journey, she wondered, could helping others be connected to her glow? But she wasn't sure. Ahead lay deeper woods where shadows whispered and unknown adventures awaited. Dark clouds gathered without warning. Thunder roared. Rain crashed through the treetops like thousands of tiny drums. Leela hurried beneath a curled leaf, trembling. Fireflies hated heavy rain, the drops felt like stones on their delicate wings. Suddenly she heard a faint voice crying, "Help! Someone help me!" Leela peeked out and saw a tiny caterpillar trapped in a puddle, struggling to stay afloat. The water grew deeper with every drop. Without thinking twice, Leela zoomed into the storm. Raindrops smacked her wings, but she kept flying. She grabbed a leaf fragment floating nearby and pushed it toward the caterpillar. "Climb on!" she shouted. The caterpillar crawled onto the leaf raft, shivering. Leela guided him to a safe branch. "You saved me," he whispered. "You are glowing brighter." Leela blinked. Her glow was now a steady pulse, small but warm. The storm soon passed, leaving the forest sparkling with silver droplets. Leela shook the water off her wings, feeling stronger than before. Helping others did make her glow grow. But she had more to discover. After the rain, Leela wandered deeper into the forest until she reached an ancient stump covered in runic markings. A wise old snail sat on top of it, staring at the patterns. "Hello," Leela said politely. "Do you know how fireflies can glow brighter?" The snail lifted his head slowly. "Ah, the glow map," he murmured. "I've been studying it for years." He traced lines in the stump's patterns. "It says there are 3 ways to shine: courage, kindness, and truth. Those who complete these shall find their strongest glow." Leela's tiny heart thumped. "I helped others today. That made me brighter." "Yes," the snail nodded. "That is kindness. Now you must find courage and truth." He pointed with his antenna toward the northern woods. "Up ahead lies something frightening. But it is there you must go." Leela gulped but nodded. She thanked the snail and fluttered on. A soft hum surrounded her. The forest seemed to approve of her journey. As Leela flew into the northern woods, the air turned cold. The trees stood closer together, creating long shadows that swayed even without wind. Suddenly, a chilling swoosh swept past her. A voice whispered, "Little light, go back." Leela froze midair. A dark swirling mist took shape in front of her. It wasn't a creature exactly, more like a shadow given life. I can't go back. I must discover how to shine," she stuttered. The shadow mist circled her. "Lights like you fade here." Leela's glow dimmed as fear tightened around her tiny body. But then she remembered the beetle, the caterpillar, the snail. She thought of her helpers and the ones she had helped. She took a deep breath. "I'm not alone," she whispered. "And I won't stop." Her glow steadied. The shadow hissed and recoiled from the light. With courage gathering in her chest, Leela flew straight through the mist. It burst apart into harmless dust. Leela's glow brightened, twice as strong as before. She had found courage. Leela soon reached a clearing humming with tiny lights. It was the hidden firefly village, thousands of fireflies living inside glowing flower homes. But something was wrong. A huge cracked crystal stood in the center of the village. It was dim, barely glowing. "The heart crystal," one firefly gasped. "Without it, our whole forest will lose light." The village elder fluttered to Leela. "We've heard of your journey. Your glow is growing. But the crystal needs a special light, one born from courage and kindness." Leela felt her wings tremble. I I don't know if I have enough." The elder smiled softly. "Then you must discover the last piece, truth." He pointed toward a distant mountain peak glowing faintly. "That is where the truth waits." Leela nodded. She would go. She must. The mountain was steep, and Leela's wings grew tired as she climbed higher. Cold winds pushed against her, but she kept flying. Halfway up, she found a lonely firefly sitting on a stone, crying softly. "What's wrong?" Leela asked. "My glow is gone," he whispered. "I pretended I was the brightest so others would admire me. But inside, I was scared and never honest." Leela sat beside him. "It's okay to be scared. I'm scared too. But I'm learning that being honest makes you stronger." The firefly looked up. "Really?" "Yes," Leela smiled. "The truth doesn't make us weak. It makes us shine in the right way." Suddenly, she felt a warm pulse inside her body. Her glow brightened, warmer, deeper, truer. She had found truth. The firefly's glow flickered gently as he wiped his tears. "You helped me," he said. "Your glow, it's beautiful." Leela looked at herself. She shone brighter than ever before. Now she was ready to return to the village. Back at the firefly village, the heart crystal was dimmer than before. Fireflies gathered nervously. Leela flew straight to the crystal. It towered above her like a giant star frozen in rock. "Place your glow against it," the elder instructed. Leela touched the crystal with her tiny light. At first nothing happened. Then, a pulse, a flicker, a spark. Light exploded through the crystal like a waterfall of color. Blues, pinks, golds, purples, every shade of magic burst into the air. The village gasped as the forest lit up brighter than ever. Leela's glow merged with the crystal, filling cracks, healing breaks. When it was over, the heart crystal shone like a newborn sun. The elder bowed deeply. "You have restored our world." Leela fluttered backward, overwhelmed. I. I did it. You found courage, kindness, and truth, he said. That is the purest glow. That night, the entire moonlit forest celebrated. Fireflies danced through the sky in swirling patterns. Flowers opened glowing petals. Streams sparkled as if filled with stars. Leela flew among them, leaving trails of shimmering light. Her glow no longer flickered, it shone steady, bright, and beautiful. The beetle from earlier waved happily. The caterpillar, now almost a butterfly, cheered. Even the shadow mist from the northern woods never returned. The elder flew to her side. Your light guided our world tonight. Leela smiled. I never thought I could shine so bright. You shined, the elder said, because you helped others shine too. Tears of happiness glimmered in Leela's eyes. She felt like she finally belonged among the stars. Leela returned to her home in a cozy hollowed mushroom. It felt warmer now, filled with gentle light of her own making. Every night from then on, she didn't just glow. She glowed with purpose. She helped young fireflies learn how to shine. She guided lost insects through dark woods. She became the heart of moonlit forest. One evening, she remembered Mama the old moth's words. Your shine will come when you discover why you shine. Now she understood. She didn't shine because she was the strongest. She didn't shine because she wanted to be admired. She shined because she cared. Her light came from inside her heart. And that kind of glow never fades.